This is the bridge next to the campground here down the road from Poplar Grove store. And I used to go here all the time, and this bridge is toast, it looks like. These houses washed out. This was a very heavily hit section. People's houses floated away. People died. It's awful. Look at this. The road is over there now. I was here 2 days before the flood. I actually came and swam in the water, and it was actually not even muddy. And they were talking about a storm, but at that point, it was hard to imagine anything was going to happen. I would not go over there. I probably shouldn't even be here, honestly. This is ridiculous. Look at those trees. Just washed downstream. Gosh. I probably shouldn't even be here, but it's just too... You gotta see what happened. Look at the bridge. The road is in the water. There's someone's house. I think they're looking for what's left of their house or something. Probably shouldn't be doing this, but oh, it looks okay actually. Everything's already settled down. Oh wow. Look at the bridge in the water. Look at all those trees where the bridge used to be. No more, so much for that beach that all of us went to, and we had so much fun and good times. Met so many nice people there on that beach on Blue Rock Road. Wow. Oh, I gotta go.